All right. I'm gonna check our furnace filter. It's been in here for I don't know, a couple months, I think. So we're gonna check it. I'm gonna check it now. It's very, very, very tricky. Oh my god, bruh, that's that's pretty bad. July. I put that in July already. Wow. July 30th. Wait a second. This is filtrate level 600. They don't have any filtrate level 600. They have 700 or MERV 6. I don't like the high quality filters because it restricts flow. Like, let's say 1,000 or 1,600 filtration level, 1,700, and Kirkland brand, stay the hell away from that because that filtrate level is 2,200. That is so fucking restrictive flow. It is ridiculous. So, I'm gonna change this filter now. I do have replacements right here. They're MERV 6, which is like 700 filtrate level. Ugh. Right here. Whoopsies. Hold on. Let me put this microphone here. I had it on the wrong one. I'm sorry. I had it on fucking stereo. Sorry. So here they are. MERV 6. Okay. So, I'm gonna get one of them out of the package. It's a freaking 3-pack. And then I'm gonna write the date on it. Basic pleated filter. And then they had the extreme cheap furnace filter. Ugh. So, this side faces furnace. So this side faces furnace. So, give me a second. Let me put the filter right there. Grab my phone. Why do I have my headphones plugged in? I don't need them. Phone. The microphone there. So if it says this side faces furnace here, so it goes in like this. So date is the 19th. Yeah. Friday. So I'm gonna write the date. This marker. So today's what? Friday. I write the full date. So I'll start here. Friday. 9 at fuck. Oh, I messed that at up. What time is it right now? Give me a second, let me go check. 12:50? Is that the right time? 12:50 p.m. Fuck! Oh, I won't have enough room. Damn it. Fuck. At 12:51 p.m. Boom. Now, fucking plastic sticking to me. Grab phone. Ow. Now, put filter in with the arrow like that, because the furnace fan is right here. And then put this on. Sorry for the bad angle. There's air coming out of there. Not good. All right. Now we turn on furnace. Ready? Here we go. Contact now. Okay, so now it's on. The furnace fan is from auto to on, and the AC, I kicked it on because I turned it up so it would stop. But there goes the air conditioner outside. Fucking stupid filters. So there's freaking plastic stuck to it. Oh, this plastic goes everywhere. And now we just wait.
I'm just gonna unplug that for now. And now we just wait. Shit! Sometimes this tripod does not like it. So I just wait. This big drain line is for the furnace, it's for the AC, and this.
Fuck. Why did it do that? I'm ending it now. Bye bye.